Exercise 315, problem 1, division 1. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus 6x minus 7 equal to 0 by completing square method. Okay, we did last time factorization. This time is completing the square method. This is one more method of solving the quadratic equation. The next method is by formula. Okay, now here first we have list out the quotient of x square, that is 1, and the coefficient of x. And if the quotient of x square is not 1, you will have to divide both sides by the quotient of x square to make the quotient of x square as 1. You have to have the quotient of x square as 1. Right? Next, add both sides by half the square of half the coefficient of x. So here the quotient of x is 6, half the coefficient of x is 3. So add 3 square both sides. So what will you get? You will get x square plus 6x plus 3 square. Sorry, this is a typographical error. Okay, 3 square equal to 7. Oh, here also there's too many errors, I guess. This is minus 7. Okay, right. So 7 and 7 will go to the other side, right? And plus 3 square. So now what will you get? You'll get x square plus 6x plus 3 square, and this is 7 plus 3, that is the 9. 9 plus 6 is 16. But this 6x, now you can write it as, we are trying to get this method actually. We are trying to write it as a square, a plus b the whole square. The coefficient of x is 1 and this is 3. So 3 into 1 is 3. So you will have to write it as 2 into x into 3. That is 2 into a into b. A is x and b is 3, right? So this has to be written as 2ab. That is 2 into x into 3. What is, you get 6 as it is, right? So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as x plus 3 the whole square, and 16 can be written as 4 square, right? So you have to write this as 2ab term. A is x and b is 3. So 2 into a into b. See whether it will come out that way, right? It will come out because that is the reason we are adding both sides by the half the coefficient of x, right? So that is the reason we are doing so, and you will get x plus 3 the whole square. Now taking square root both sides, we will get x plus 3 will be equal to square root of 4 square is plus or minus 4. Plus 4 is also, you will get you 16, and minus 4 will also will get you 16 when you are squaring. So that's the reason we are adding plus or minus. Okay, right, because minus 4 the whole square is also 16, 4 square is also 16, right? So that's the reason we are taking, we are making it as plus or minus. So now the first thing is that let's take when x is equal to plus. So x plus 3 will be equal to 4, or x will be equal to 4 minus 3, or x will be equal to, in this case, x will be equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. And in the second case, x plus 3 will be equal to minus 4, or x will be equal to minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7. So x will be equal to minus 7 or 1 are the two solutions. Now you can check, put x equal to 1 here. So 1 square is 1, 6 into 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 minus 7 is 0. Am I right? So basically what the two things, make the coefficient of x square is 1 if it is not so by dividing both sides by the coefficient of x square, then add both sides by the square of half the coefficient of x. Okay, and then get the left hand side as in the form of a plus b the whole square, and right hand side also will be a square. Take square root both sides, you will get plus or minus. Take the plus sign, plus root and the minus root, you will get two answers. Those are the two answers for this, or the solution set for this quadratic equation. Okay, thanks for watching this video.